McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Cina Soul. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
McBrown's kitchen, a Diana Pado. McBrown's kitchen, and Cina Soul. I was self for me, Mama Quaba, ever McBrown's kitchen, a Diana Pado. Me pacho. Yes, see, I feel from umpire na manenya seda first of all, and sana yensre or duman kumwa or bad dear say. I fear yes, me. Oh, who your mobile said another year, no for you they try, yeah, for an accident, you better done or say. McBrown's kitchen, then when you say, I want for be a darren, I'm timid, bro. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Electronics company, oh, Chrome, Ghana, your products, no said, tear our brochure, no, Sana tear away Chrome has so, and until high sense may come for a mouth. May I wake purified drinking water, I say. One is for life. Maybe me fridge more royal drinks. Awake and me don't want to do awake back could be abeto biano. Kai say ye used to be the cardio center kolebu edeko boama Ghana menina enya some faso. Sana made a tasty tom and rich tomato mix I say. And toss in ye bronya wa unim se wo jollof and we still audi no tasty tom na de internet de ti koso na fi yenye den yendi tasty tom because enuan power vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin E. Nini na bi wo tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Ebusuafo me da delay mackerel, delay sardine say omuda su kra McBrown's kitchen mu. Ema mitumi eden edebro. Sana me da Borges olive oil ase. Baby abefa bia Dr. Bia be catch say Borges there number 1 olive. Ane enuntin cholesterol nim udienda wakoma ho and fire ye bia emonemu esiesio sana make apple cider natural apple cider cho say what did you wie kura no wadarom fa bi gunsiom na nye te say a sweet after meals be never power nim said your bema digestion aye quick amount you'll be surprised. I was if you cross a market now pay jane garlic any ginger a papa na ye organic ya juni overpack ho kai say overpack kwa and a juni Ghana for ho sa enu nto omdi nua ne party sa abadwa so nti overpack ginger overpack garlic overpack onion me that royal aroma rice ya say and more vitamins wo na ebo anipedua na etu eso abuso nyina so enie royal aroma rice and me da launcher kitchen ase omuda so kura me kitchen mu ama kitchen me ya na dada no still ne ho den enu to launcher open kitchen open see o pub and as open see o bedroom open see o hall e bia e launcher sa na me come for Royal Kitchenware official Ghana ma say and chance ni chance ya kono wodi no aduane no me kura no na say wa wo kondo so bedi aduane no Royal Kitchenware official Ghana ya damo ase ebusu me sponsors ni na McBrown me trinyi Salom na de ma me enyi yo fedia Salom_world into Salom world and a dem man me moto come me dano ase sana me da obaya yes ya sewa nana sewa bronze ai me nua ba ko pe kwada so nua ba ya eno ama me atade ya my te say president yiri bia on pen wansemi me gina ofefefe ya sewa me da ase me pacho alegina makeover and I am anim kama ya wa daroma me te yire wo TV suei ma me twa me homra me bapa McBrown's kitchen with the broad dead. Brim
2351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ghana for high sense domosibe bray. Neti through anya pomudi adwuma for. Corona yare baye. Money dini ye. Ye koso asre se. Abanse say odi egu akwam no. Ye nkoso na ye niso. Ye di entra. Se wo pe home appliances a efe. Na eche. Ne bo da form. Afe entwe power. Yo bia be kan bia oboa. Eno ane high sense. High sense niema eye direct from factory. Ya na ye. Nti yetimi promotion abrebia. High sense product abeto Ghana and one over Germany and America. Your fridge, air condition, TV, washing machine, gas cooker, blender, rice cooker, mobile phones, sound system, and even break home. You have 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. Yeniamano, ya tete swama muse. Say yeah, no nose mask, no entry. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay, then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What?
What are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's kitchen ebusia ediane pa ede me pa chopi en sorry nko be bia ne ababa wa son no bia ne ho nketenkete ne nso ne yede. I told you say McBrown's kitchen there we talent no the moment I can no at once yeah be show na wa ba enu ntino DJ volume and now back to you Cina Soul Cina Atia don't go baby that's right do your thing oh my God let's give it to them wow, DJ Tomo. Thank you, DJ. Ofane inta onno bodenche wa sing. Ewo. Why am I?
Shojale shionga epa Ao onga epa Inke shojale jolly Shojale ojale Shojale ojale
Jolly she jolly Me tell when you man when you and I'm so kitty girl be and I'm so kitty girl be home. No problem. I mean, pay attention. Forget about the kid. It's the voice.
It's the voice.
It's the voice. Don't worry. Over church Ghana for no matter.
Yes.
See, welcome to McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you.
Good. No problem, sir. We are now swab. What? Ebusia, me pacho, tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix say no. You who say COVID-19 and call a also say I the last few weeks, you who say COVID no I say mu ya ding numbers no rise ya na rise. Ebusia yan sada yan sayem baby ye nyina enkaya nam debe ye nyina me crime rate me film ho sometime also rate me film ho sometime but say dear enya nhye enya de be ka kan say be share mask na afei so no ya hohoro yan sa e wo kitchen ewa abonten ewa bebia ebeko biati truth efra abonten ne ye ba efia ye mfasem na nhyensu ase na ye hohoro ye nsa ene ye nsantam nyina afa ye ndidi ye na covid no said the air rises say no enye mayen e pamchopi into tasty Tom and Rich tomato mix ye dam ase make I was say tasty Tom wa wonim dada no vitamin K vitamin E vitamin D Nini na bi wo mu a eye mani peduane boost immune system. Enti tasty Tom ye dam ase. See, me ba cho drugs. Shiajala shiye bye. Anyom no de bia. E wonga bye. So won't you say don't worry. Or run say we na wa baba ba cheche what you say. Ne won keten sa no rest studio a. Enya no kwa mebo ne nyum bebre ni nyina so dodo na ye nkran de but rhythm no we say melody no rhythm no rhythm right sisi oh araba come odo fa show ha okay fa show anim come wo hia bia na wa fa wa de amen Cina Soul what about McBrown's kitchen
thank you
and the woman no idea
Pacho today, bebenia, rice and meat stew with potato salad.
Rice and meat stew with potato salad. This season, no, and Korano na me pese, me no mu delay pa. My baby's at home. Me pa chom. Ediane biya ebe o McBrown's kitchen no. Me pese wo ka che mommy. Say mommy. Me paucho 7 days Monday to Sunday no but more dia say obey one day McBrown's kitchen duane ya ye no sa Sunday but what baby mwah. Okay all right and to see your ingredients today meat stew with rice and potato salad.
Okay so we have our meat,
yes,
nicely cleaned,
yes,
and we have green pepper, we have potatoes, tomatoes, onions, some parsley, pepper paposhito, ginger,
yes,
and we doesn't have an English name, so akuko besa.
Chicken can dance.
Chicken can dance.
Or chicken will dance.
No, chicken will dance. So we have chicken will dance. And then we have our carrots.
Okay.
And then we have some shrimp spices here.
Okay.
Then we have some mayonnaise, salad cream, some curry, some powdered pepper, some black pepper, some grapes.
Hey.
Then we have some shrimp powder.
That's where the more
yes.
Okay.
Fresh shrimp powder.
Okay.
And some salt. And yes, our royal aroma rice.
Yes. And very
our
yes.
oil. Yes.
Our bodies.
Our bodies oil.
Wow. See what do you know? And rubber for the see. I say, what is that? I know.
No, today I don't feel like cooking plenty, so something small. Yeah. So salad first, then we'll put it in the fridge, so it will cool small.
Oh, okay.
Yes, then we'll do our meat.
And then start the salad. Don't worry.
Okay.
Start your salad.
No problem.
Maybe you're not bro for style. Now so I know.
Ghana style.
Ghana style, mama. Cina, who free here?
I'm from Jamestown.
Jamestown.
Gamashi.
Gamashi.
Yes.
100%.
And this okay, well, 50-50. My mom is from Volta region.
Oh, okay.
And my dad is from Jamestown.
Oh.
So we have 50-50. Half away, half Ghana.
Half away, half Ghana.
Yes.
And a Cina Soul, anyway.
Coco Memley.
Coco Memley.
Coco Memley girl pa.
Oh, okay. Me pacha nyom to na share more time then.
So me, I knew say the talent was there.
Oh, okay.
Because my papa, he could really sing, but not professionally.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And see, me name say, voice the day wo. But na me name say, me to me artists, like real artists. Because me a lawyer.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Na papa say you lawyer.
Yes. And see, after me call Vodafone Icons. Yes. Me quite. In fact, that competition I didn't want to go. Because I'm not a very competitive person, competition, I'm not that kind of person. See me say me uncle. And I force me say, they be go and try it. My friends, so my family, my mommy, my sisters, my family members. So I'm okay. You go and try it at least. You don't know what will come of it. I'm like, okay, cool. Through the auditions or anything, I didn't think that I'll get any way. I won't lie. But by God's grace, I made it to the finals. And I didn't win. I didn't win, but I made it to the finals, and yeah, that's when my music career started.
Nice a year, Ben. What if I can look away?
I think 2015 or 14.
2015.
Yes.
Wow.
2015.
Hey, into 2021, puna. Okay, see any. In 2015, there. I
was so small. I've always been slim my whole life.
Say and one a winning.
Christian or a gospel singer.
Oh, okay.
Christian. Royal Chris.
Royal Chris. Wow. So I won't nanka some pets over to you. Nanka woman's cry for so mal coyano. Wow, when we it's a career and capable between. Now, then, and I said, would you machi?
So when I went to the finals, I realized that, so I have the talent. Because to get to the final, that means that the talent is there.
Yes.
Yes. So I was like, okay, that means maybe I have something special that I would be able to give to Ghanaians. The whole time I was in the competition, I was in school.
School, Ben?
Legon.
Now go Legon. 2015, no?
2015. And see, my parents weren't so happy, because they wanted me to finish school before I can do anything else. But me too, I felt like, say, me starting with school, many students, fans.
All right. And it's all right, wear a potato. They buy a salad, no? Oh. Yes, you know, so Miss Sointia who?
And see, the best shame.
You're the best shame one pie. You're the goom.
You're the big goom. You're the big goom.
I was saying, I had a potato no SE just so. And I had and chin air by the home. Your potato salad, no. So, yeah, see, it's okay. Nana, dear freestyle. And tinchine.
That's a little bit for,
Yeah, you do here.
First, you bet chucha onions, no. Onions, say, well, shake with me, none of your four. Okay, bath fake or with flour now.
I was also a Jen and a barco. Now you stew nice or the good one. It was a judge in a barco.
Okay.
And to see, time and our co studio a year. When you might boss here.
Oh, jolly. Oh, jolly, dear. Me name a band, ne recorded this song for the first time. Me am a tro minimum. Inti ye call studio, and I'm a catch. So I have a new song, be friend Ojolly, and see ye recording. I must say, okay, cool. Tuna yen she, inti me 2 years na omoche. The garlic no be blend the onions together. You blend it together.
But I never go near blend. Oh, Beshele na keko anyway. And can meet you not make cabo macana at once.
Oh, Beshele na keko anyway.
Sabe. Until we shall ever blend it. Ginger Baba.
Funny.
Okay, can we more ginger and I feel separate.
Well, I feel separate. Well, how okay add, but
I told you small.
Cafe in blend all separately.
No problem.
Because sometimes the ginger is strong. It will cook a food way.
There, no problem, yeah?
Funny.
Femola Tony without no fee.
Over there.
Agbena. Sure. See, be mommy.
Inti. We ye bed divided into two.
Okay.
Ye de bako beye seasoning of meat no.
Oh, okay.
Na ye de dear can beye stew
Okay.
no.
So also mean blended ginger, no, so right?
That's right.
Intend for ginger, no one. Agbena. Meko baba biona.
Funny.
There's a Cina the ano there. One after the other.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes.
See, enele Agbena. After Mekono there. Also overall blend anymore. Aha. Because also a blend no makoma sabe obenya pepper no said your pen no blend the boom maybe an Jones sem.
I try.
Intimate blend way so.
I try.
You. Okay. Hey, where so Agbena. Tonight is a blending here. We are now more blending.
No, we are done with the blending.
We are done, no?
Yes, please.
I was here, we blending. No. Where so Agbena. I was here, your potato near Norway, and I dear see a tree, said a bay, a bit coolly, a bit true. Wouldn't I mean, dear, as a sardine?
Me pet, you know, it's not healthy. Intimate person or member unhealthy
food
for you.
Cina Soul, you want to know more about your family?
So, yeah, three girls.
Oh, okay.
Yes, mini brother. So, yeah, family of 5, 3 girls. Me were 2 sisters. Me were middle.
And I'll be doing cheap.
Patron. And me were younger sister. And the big sister. Patron.
Ya bought Jolly.
That's right.
And you know Acadia in the
yeah, wo Tatale wo.
Tatale. Tatale.
There say what minim say wo nim sa rhyme no. Davi mayo ke gali ke 1 Tatale 50. Ti sa rhyme no. Me dia yenum.
Oh, okay.
Tatale wo.
And adien bio.
And na Julo wo ho. And was and no, my second single featuring Manifest.
Okay, Julo Chrome 4. And
make, like I was saying, say, you stole my heart into we are Chrome 4.
Yes. Because Jole no be happy, but be antiaske. What I say?
I try.
And about could be Kala Kami, Ola Kami.
Wow.
What is wow? What is wow?
I didn't know you knew that song.
It's nice, but mini fe. Come on, male. Kani ayaka kami olaka
mi kala. Oh wow.
Mido. Mini wonyo.
My surprise pass it.
Pa.
Sanu.
Ya fana mniso suna membo mounti. So season nam no answer. Okay. What season say ma quantity a ope o.
Enti. Ginger. Then you know how much, so that you over season.
Okay. Enele hu.
Agbena. Keke. Wake wo. Ngeni neyo.
Ya de dia bio na ebeka. Enchene.
Something else that shito ebie.
Shito a meko.
Okay, stuff you. Boy, yo shito wa.
Yo shito pa.
Yo shito pa.
We bisa se me di meko na so me di pa. What dia wa? Me so me dia pa.
Shito pa. Okay. But I don't know how I said it. I don't think that's an wentia. We put it in a net.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We put it.
Matuase.
The kakra beshe net ni mo.
Net ni mo.
Yes.
Na ya bone po.
Na ya bone po.
Oh. Ya chichire. Now there are 2
inside.
And I did
put your water inside.
Oh.
Just a little bit of water.
Yeah. Net. Normal net. Net ya nimi ya.
Normal net. So yeah, the in shini kakra, but first ebe you shrimp no.
Okay, shrimp powder. No.
Shrimp powder no. Yeah, the shrimp powder kakra begum.
Okay.
Na ye de
enchine so kakra. Egumu.
But it started boiler. You better check it, say everything is okay. If we need something else,
Into no. Send that or blending your mama, blending be separate. I don't know as a son said your
mammy a caterer. Inti wo ye fie honum et say every day cooking competition. Inti me bano. Hey, you say, interview.
Oh, mama.
Or find it World Cup. Say, hey, cooking competition. Where there, the same way say. Me, near to say 5 different dishes, man, tasty.
Answer now, Banner.
Answer now, 2 say, okay, be away.
Divider. Minister. By fame.
Hey.
Minister. Oh, crashing. Sorry.
Everyone that comes here, I don't know why this happening.
Hey. Hello.
Okay.
Una. And you from
Royal Aroma
Rice. Yes. Yes, Royal Aroma. Oh, fana miniature.
No. Inchine. Anwa.
Budget. How are you, Sunakai?
Okay.
Virgin.
Just a little
extra
bit.
Virgin.
Yes.
Oh, shit. Let's where?
Kakrebi.
Sir.
Looking nice.
Okay.
And succulent.
Succulent. Taste the sign of pen, right?
Pachan.
Okay.
I should say.
And you're back on the annual. Fatua. I do a check. Auntie, salad no dear, we potato and away
salad cream.
Okay, salad cream.
And no, you're very concentrated. Into you see kakrebi.
Okay.
Yeah, you see more than mayonnaise, no.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's
right.
Oh, for my dear mommy. Salad cream, they come first, no. And away mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Into 2 each, depending on your potato.
Yes. Okay. So, in a obatami. Ebekafra.
Okay.
Kakra. Say, if we need anything, maybe more salad cream or mayonnaise, we'll use it.
Oh, I'm having.
Oh, yes, sure. And you're ding. Okay.
It's can be more any.
Okay.
I mean, it's not royal drink.
Hey.
Dear boss. No, I've been alone.
Dabi, Bogokuna. Diane, onake salad, potato salad, it needs a little sweetness. So instead of ube, we use sugar and I say bibia, ube use grapes. Some people too use pineapple, but me, I'll use grapes today, just for, some added sweetness.
I say grape, no. Ubo mana seed bi wom say seed ni na be salad dey so yi.
Hey.
We here be one na.
No, you got it.
No very. Papa trouble no.
Okay. You can try it at home. It's very nice.
Very interesting. Nice. I'm one. So who be sad that way made the become tricks no. Nina say potato no den.
Yes. Or they would break.
Breaky aye.
So the next thing we can add to is our parsley.
Parsley.
Yes.
Okay.
Just use a little bit of.
Okay.
A bit overpower, we know.
See about to take a crabby. Hey, Ketra baby. Aye, dear.
Just say me too much noise, but now sprinkle just a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Cool. What tasty grapes now? We need.
Minyan. Come up.
Thank you.
Wow.
Let's me agent say. Yeah.
I was for the eye and dear. Parsley no, you didn't be share. Aye. Now they are chef Jim Kakra and Catasuan. Okay. Abing.
It's fine.
And you never to me as a stew, no? Any uncle.
And now they say stock won't too much now, which here. Black and tim. Yeah, and color no nefe.
Inti
ye bear who and now no kakra, no, you're stock no.
Okay, so I should give you some water.
Yes, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Yeah, now I come.
Add more. Yes, it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Yeah, stew no ano. So we share my idea no. Cina no as a catering background into no. I no say one at a time. Yeah, salad maybe we fridge mu. Yeah, the yamo so as a rice cooker more and no kama.
Oh, you know, asima kakra and we'll put our onions inside, blended onions inside first.
Yeah, stew the end board ending common. Minimale, come on, mimale. Can you and when you will make a single now?
No, we released it last year.
Oh, okay. Now, no, so wanna try.
Me, I'm not try.
Wanna try. But your mom. Your mom lines. You are DJ. You're ready, mommy.
If you delight to me or you be true to me, Mini Sunday. Things you they do in the past, please tell me. It's animale. Wait till you die for the class at all. Would you let me hear? People they talk, say you and me, it can never go work, it can never go down. Meaning in lay. Chama mi male. Kanya ola kami, kala kami. Meaning in lay. Chama mi male. Kanya ola kami, kala kami.
Hey, what is in that throat?
This food, and God.
It's like Ghana. I yapamo you pay attention to Cina Soul because this talent it's on for no I didn't know him yet. And you say, Mr. We are supporting.
My full name is Christy Queen Cina. Christy first.
Okay.
Queen Cina. Nama no Kwakupum.
Okay.
Yes. So
Kwakupum.
Yes. So my Ghana name is Nama Noa.
Yes. I would say still no. You're Jane and the common or you carry powder.
Kakra.
No. And I'll follow carry powder. Wow.
Not too much. Me de kakra begu me, but not now.
Not now. Na time any betchenam no.
But to me say me de tomato no gumo say semana ya che nam na side. Yeah.
And we are nam no oil no so kakra betumi our stew no. Right. Ntino wan hwe no bebre no. That's right.
So next thing I'd be shemu tin tomatoes.
Oh, and then tasty tom. Wow.
Tasty tom.
Great tomato mix.
Yes.
Papa.
Beautiful. But no one I may use a few. Yeah, tasty tom is very, very, very good. Yes.
The Diana is so
just a little.
Okay. Yes, two no. Na see some catcher say, me start to show me catcher and so we are no my uncle. This year, and you might be a dead when you know so bet me at what tobacco you train. New Year is me.
Me per se, my career, I want it to go further. And even for the fact that me will have this year, that means I'm doing something good. And I may not recognition kaka for the fact that me will McBrown's kitchen.
And the crowd,
I say, I'm almost there. So I'm hoping that by God's grace, next year I'll be everywhere.
You'll be
everywhere.
I'm packed. Now, who goes school? No, who's going to go?
Yes.
They're going to go ahead and go
psychology and archaeology, but my major was psychology.
See, yeah, I'm here.
And see, the next thing I bet yes is akoko besa. No beshe for in the muna aman akoko besa.
Na enu ni ana.
Ewo. Ya chitre wo net mu.
Costume mu.
Patron. Na emane nice aroma.
The crabby ginger.
Just a little bit.
Okay. Powdered pepper. And a berry.
And they say, who tasty pepper now is not enough for you, then you sprinkle
so in the
a little. In the meantime,
if you're stuck, make a crack.
Then we'll stir and see if it's enough. If it's not, then we'll add some to it.
So now I come up from it too. You know what to. You may say it. It is talk look at Crabbe come. Okay. Yeah, and I wish I may baby has to see into India, no cook and be a fair India. Into a shrimp powder.
Shrimp powder, powdered shrimp, real fresh shrimps.
To buy
just a little because it's very strong. So if you don't take care, your stew will start tasting like shrimp right now.
Oh,
this is small.
Powdered pepper.
Half a tablespoon.
Oh, I don't mind. Maybe I don't mind. No.
We will eat a lot of pepper, so West and gas there.
Mixture. I am all weather.
A lot of pepper.
It's a shame why it's too now, right?
Patron.
The meat no beba more now.
Patron. But the meat no oil no kakra be boom.
The come with you.
Patron.
Okay. Oil now is so here. Me so.
Patron.
Yeah, cool. 1, 2, 3.
One more.
One more fancy right. Hey, one more.
It's okay.
It
would be more, look prettier.
Need them. And I'm not right. And I'm not better. And I'm not going.
Patron.
Uncle.
There be Hey.
Well then. You didn't say. Come on, Molly. We're going to enter. I was at McBrown's kitchen here. And not to baby, I do your dinner and we are see where for them.
Garnishing.
Yeah. Carrot and also for
garnishing.
For garnishing.
That's right.
And this pepper.
And this is for last minute heat. So you just use the scissors to just cut the sides, just open a little bit, and you drop it in the stew.
Wow, and then I go take care of
my
stew.
Yeah.
Now me so me na my boy for say. High sense. 5 years warranty in a way product home. You go air conditioned, TV, fridge, kettle, blender, just near my door. So go showroom na kwajodio. With awake purified drinking water, I say. Awake one is for life. I awake any. Sana me da entos ye wo konkomu ne de ye kwan, ye de ye abomu, ye de ye jollof. Any tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within. Sa and a gorgeous olive oil. And then an apple cider. Natural. Meaning na ewo market. The patrol made a launch kitchen I say for me jadi. Na made that royal aroma rice I say. And no bin and me baby die. Ubedi mu me can for royal aroma rice. Patrol royal aroma. What a kind of royal aroma. Simple like that. San and Chanson so the Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. Royal Kitchen official Ghana on Instagram. Maybe I delay mackerel. Any delay sardine. Me do more say. Ebusia Oberpark Company Limited. Aye Oberpark ginger, Oberpark garlic, and Oberpark onion. And no, and I make come for sell come market here. Ube tobi Because now what they know a woman a different. A woman immune system ni china yi. Madam sponsors in na say na sabre die. Also me timi twa me ho ba. Na me gye nkrato free sponsors ho. Na me ba pa edition time. Jesu wo fie ma me say salanwo. Sina entwa ho mra say come on the mask get go. Hey
2351251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ghana for high sense domosibe bray. Neti true anya pomudi adwumaye for. Corona yare ba ye. Woni ye dini ye. Ye koso asre se. Abanse se odi egu akwam no. Ye nkoso na ye niso. Ye yie di entra. Se wo pe home appliances a efe. Na eche. Ne bo da form. Afe entwe power. Di obi abeka bia oboa. Eno ane high sense. High sense niema eye direct from factory. Ya na ye. Nti yetimi promotion abrebia. High sense product abeto Ghana and one over Germany and America. Your fridge, air condition, TV, washing machine, gas cooker, blender, rice cooker, mobile phones, sound system, and even break home. You have 5 years manufacturer defect warranty. Mano, ya tete swama muse. Say yeah, no nose mask, no entry. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Darling, plain or check it?
Checkered.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi, specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Meda sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwe sa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
McBrown's kitchen ebusianfo ediane pa selango edition time nie munim say high sense tasty tom awake purified drinking water launcher kitchen delay mackerel and sardine and a royal kitchenware official Ghana Borges olive oil and a royal aroma rice and the Oba Park Company Limited. Oma Daroma, and I'm doing McBrown's Kitchen. Celebrate its giveaway time. We want to appreciate our guests to say, yes, so in the name of our sponsors, we also want to give her something. Baby, I do you see? I check the way you know. Our purified drinking water, royal drinks. You go like them. Sana royal aroma rice and a royal kitchenware official Ghana high sense rice cooker. The lay mackerel and then the sardine and your wood sana gorgeous olive oil and ye a pacho tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Yes, so you represent wow. Cina and your way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Yamba. I'm not going to worry. I was away. You could did in the wall. Wabatashi. No way you need. Bona, edition time. But Fred, McBrown's Kitchen fun. No, you know, be tasty. Bona. Ejaka can't near one and conform some boy. Into me here, witness.
Neutral person.
Yes. No, big TV. DJ, my young. And then I'm yummy for any papa and I'm a church room. Welcome, Mary! Platform, let's go. Blah, 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 blah. Yay! Let's go! Oh, yeah, Eva, I'm on a hosa. Eva, say ya! Eva, be there with us. Hey! Jolly. So, they're okay, say, go football. Near this side, we was some more come. Jolly. Sina, yeah, to 40 years. Yeah, Adam and I'm on Mary, Aquaba. Oh, too. Yeah, boom, runners. I was up for many just have men share me your door. Snazzy. Me, Yan chain, Menino, and Briar bread, Parker soap. Yeah, Bob Baller, we are singing in B. Mary, a footballer. Says the idea. Or your football fisher. And I'm one. I'm Pacha. One other woman, you know, the patrol. A more full name. Any dear way. Nagana for you.
Your friend Mary Hasford.
Yes.
Say me, see you, Emma. If you could be Ampim, Ladies Sporting Club. Oh, Kumasi.
Awesome to quite us all girls. Because my child. Mary, we are the original you. And what did that I know?
Felicity, Mammy Mo, Majaibo.
A dear Jana quite that.
Matsi, we move you.
What I say? Omunka will go, but you see, I move you.
Matsi, we move you.
Many just summer home. And a wabba. Cina Soul Dian in ye bedi. And to see one of a bompire. Oba Solomon, how?
Our Father in heaven, thank you so much for what you've done for us. As we're about to eat, we ask you, Lord, that you sanctify and make this food as nutritious as possible. In your name we pray, amen.
Amen. I was here for addition time. A Diania da, when you crown was a day. And an arm, my dear. My dear Dianinti and a mere cooking show, me pediane. As a way of a dear more. Now, Mary.
Yes.
Addition time, near crowd. And then what about McBrown's Kitchen, Wadaroma? Cina Soul. And you, my boy, new rain. But you're so nimno. And then Miss Rowe, we send Bibi back, could be mammy. Because when to me, my brown cousin.
Matsis. Sada.
Yes.
Uncle Ponchro.
Amen.
Yes, could be dredgy.
Amen.
But I'm saying, and JP, room will be out. Now, many we are dear, me pese, metsi no crane everyone.
Hey.
It is a near say unikidi.
Hi.
Echo out.
Jesus Christ.
Tim pese me who no crane. What's your what's that? That's it.
Actually, no crane.
Indeed. Ghana for Pam Chow. Cina Soul and the McBrown's kitchen and room two or saying no crack. And the young fan say, we are new, basically, we are new.
Yeah.
And I think that I knew no, and I should know. Said, yeah, no. To be honest with you, yeah, like I said. I know the man yes, but there's no like relationship. They're only friends. Yeah. They're only friends. I'm Mary. Yeah. What you say?
Matinas. That's
Mary.
Yes.
Me who are they word and meaning so also touch my son and catch her.
Just all catch her and son.
Son as stew no. Or you're very slow. As one you wake up, but it will tell me to say there. Who did you like restaurant in Diana? Oh yeah.
Wow. Tivada cooking.
Oh, into why are there? Into why are there? Into why are there? Minim dear. Send it, Diana, and I too.
Your kind of pepe.
Wow.
Oh, it was like this. No, I was still not in movie. I don't know, it's a shame, no. So cherry powder, no, so I did go after only beginning.
Yeah. Secret ingredients.
Me di kanka say Ghana for en support to Ojuma William. Into Ghana for you ready. Into the band I see for me expecting new single.
Oh, very soon. And more things, not only single. Hopefully this year I may release the album. My very first album. By trying.
So in the meantime, you enjoy Jolly.
In the meantime, you have baby. More enjoy singles, no. And more nice projects. But I have a song coming out soon. I think it will be a good song because it features like one of the very big artists in Ghana. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but yeah, I don't see a fine power.
I see a fine power. Yeah. Wow. And today now, we can't Ghana for. I buy your back.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the support. And keep supporting, keep sharing, keep streaming my music. Kakra, me best shooting nice videos. Last year, say me we need best video of the year. So
I remember.
Killing Me. Yes. And when keep supporting me now, I'll give you good and even much better content.
Wow. So far, our content are winning our hand. You can see a tune on our hand.
Patrol Airwell everywhere. YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, everywhere.
SoundCloud.
Oh, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, CINA_SOUL. CINA_SOUL. Everywhere.
So,
yeah.
Yeah. Cina?
Yes.
That's what it
is.
So, I'm going to
Thank
you. Mary?
Yes.
Hey, say Mary. Hey, Sister America, what dream Mr. What dream Mr. They do you. Yeah, Mary come football, some catch a gun of them to say, not me idea.
Now you are there. Now you are there, pal. Just that not type bombs can have. You have found a chassis.
Only the time I say, Woman, my entertainer. Mina, my mamma, and son, and I said, Matman, you know my bread. No beer the cancer. Anyway, someday
with us.
Miniano back up pet a patcho or hand sanitizer here. And now, natural apple cider was here. And I did you. I know me a drink, I be beer, we, ya may come on. Now with the cacra good soon. Now one no. So we will be crowned powder on a normal day with the cacra good summer. Now the honey cacra soon. No one man yet I ate a you. No one a yep pie. I drew a fruit. I drew a cassia.
That's about copy and counsel you.
Marco so one person. Meaning, also was a son. That was the one's a sign. If I told chance in here. Oh, if you Royal Kitchen or official Ghana. And now iron free high sense in me. Ain't you no way now? You're the other first year. That's it. Beautiful. I was young. So, maybe na akasim na. So, Cina, but your launch a kitchen for se fa booking mom. Anytime I will be biasa or kitchen, will bar or closet on my year, I'm a percentage.
Wow.
A face soap, hand sanitizer, casa precon, and a year. That's just said. We spray regular baby, but you soon all the times. It's corona and a cost fracture. I feel just a wound, so I know I test Libby. Now I don't want to know what I show once a year. I am a home to unchain. Ninja Willie. Mary, Madame Winina say, send a Madame was. But before I go, you have to sing for us.
Wow.
I sing from your heart. Which one do you want to say? Olaka me, Olaka, and I said, and cry back we are. You're the Ramono. Oh, Jolly.
Okay. So, we're two.
Ah, you better chorus.
Okay.
You better just. You better back us. Oh, no, oh, when you so. From your mama. It's a see, Yanko. A voice now, no, because I'm a done a child of what I say, voice. Every day.
Sho jolly, she on I buy. Unga epai, sho jolly, she on I buy. Oh, unga epai, inge sho jolly, sho jolly, oh jolly, sho jolly, oh jolly, she oh jolly, sho jolly, sho jolly, oh jolly.
We are not the chorus. A year to a year and swat to so Kala coming. I'm the pie and to the Sansan.
Minile, Chama mi male, Kanya kola kami, ola kami, kala kami, minile,
Catchamio,
Chama mi male. Kanya kola kami,
oh dada me, oh dada me, oh dada me,
oh dada me,
oh dada. Maybe what's that when you know? I was up for McBrown's kitchen here. I didn't add baby. I do there. You know, we didn't cry. Madam sponsors say high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and Rich tomato makes strength comes from within. Me pacha we purified drinking water. In one is for life. And then in your royal drinks, you go like. But a lunch kitchen son near your tranquility is our priority. And son, Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. Chance and Papa, I didn't know the animal ya kono. Me pachopi Borges olive oil is the best always for you because a bed boy, the sra, ya the bonfire, and I say demand ye. Sana meda Royal Aroma Rice ya say, and more would a lot of vitamins, which is good for your system. Me don't want it. Oberpark Company Limited, organic food. Overpack ginger, overpack garlic, and overpack onion. Meaning now be on market. And a delay mackerel, delay sardine. Yada more sibe brie peche like that. McBrown's kitchen was for Hannah and Dumbesi. It's yen never come back by a chair. Why and chow mammy antivida?
Hey, antivida, any Auntie Gracie. Me mommy sister.
And I was your phone in
Nally Q, K, Jackie. Everyone.
And my
dad. Jesus Christ. And my father. Yeah,
and that was a voice a brim moment. Bye-bye. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, McBrown's Kitchen.